Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are talking about two Linux distros that gamers love in 2025, Bazzite and CachyOS. Which one is better for gaming? Let's find out. Let's start with Bazzite. It's built on Fedora and designed especially for gamers, even Steam Deck users. It comes with all the tools pre-installed: Steam, Proton, GameScope, and performance tweaks. If you want a system that works right away with games, Bazzite is a great pick. Now CatchOS. This one is based on Arch, but it's built for speed and performance. It has a custom kernel, smart CPU optimizations, and easy to use tools for both new and advanced users. If you like customizing your system and getting the max FPS, CatchOS is for you. Bazzite is more plug and play. CatchOS is more for people who want full control and top speed. So, which one wins? If you want a ready to go gaming setup, go for Bazzite, but if you love tweaking things and want top performance, try CatchOS. Hit like if this helped and don't forget to subscribe for more simple Linux reviews. See you in the next one.